Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Baby, I'm the girl. Hi my loves. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be tasting American sweets and crisps. There was a few crisps I wanted to buy, but when I actually found them in the shop, they actually I couldn't have them due to some of my medical things. But anyway, without further ado, I'm ready to start today's video, so let's go. So I've got a total of a bunch, I don't know, I've got a bunch of stuff here and I'm super duper excited to try it. So the first one I'm going to be starting off with is Everlasting Gob Stoppers. Again, so if any of these sweets are actually, you guys, you American fans out there, have tried any of these, please let me know in the comments if you've tried any of the ones that you see in this video, and if there's other ones you think I should try because of how good they are. But first, Everlasting Gob Stoppers. I'm pretty sure I'm going to like these, so can't wait. Love this. These are one of the only few American sweets I've actually tried and I love them. But they're really, really hard to find. So obviously UK. So I've got some, don't want to drop them, some red ones and a purple one. So I'm going to try something that look like a red one. So they're hard candy. I like certain like flavour names or just colours. I don't know, but these are good. I would eat these again, 100%. Thumbs up for the Gob Stoppers. Okay guys, so now we're going to try Swedish Fish. This is the original Swedish Fish. I don't know. Again, never tried them, so I'm not going to know what they taste like. So, if I can actually open them, that is. It always takes me forever to open things. Am I going to need, like, a weapon? No, I'm going to have to tear it from the side. Oh, some orange? I thought Swedish Fish were red. Oh, that's what it looks like. A little fishy. I thought they were red. I think these ones are orange, but they say they're original. I don't know, you guys. Let me know in the comments. These are good. These are good. I'm making sure I can actually eat them. Thumbs up for the Swedish Fish. Okay, next, I don't know, I've never seen these in any YouTube videos. Blow Pop Minis. I don't know what these are. Let me know in the comments if you've actually tried these, American viewers. But there's flavours, there's watermelon, blue raz, cherry and sour apple. I'm not going to be trying the sour apple. I think I might try the blue raz. Unless that one's like sour as well. I don't know. Also guys, can you let me know if you want me to do anonymous bag, eh? Let me know if you want me to do taste testing of other countries. It literally looked like ball sweets. See that? I'm gonna try the red one. Doesn't say anything on. They literally look like cough sweets. So you're supposed to chew them. But this gum, it's a blow pop with no stick. And what a blow pop is. Gum base. So I can't swallow these. All great taste of bubblegum thumb with the original blow pops now in bite-sized minis. It's literally disappearing in my mouth. Am I supposed to swallow it? I think it might be gum, just by all the gum and bubble reference on the box. So, but they're good. Again, just double checking. Yeah. Thumbs up for the blow pop minis. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna try. Let's try this. These are fruity jellies, fruit flavored soft jelly, confectionery with sweeteners. Oh, okay. Because it says it's got sweeteners in it. Guys, I can't eat these. I can't eat these. I'm allergic to something in these. Oh, I should have checked before. Anyway, guys, so they have a little bit of a pickle. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I'm able to actually. I feel like if I eat one or like a tiny bit of one, I should be safe. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I can eat these. I just am only allowed to eat one, and that was already going to be my goal anyway, just to eat one. There is certain way you have to eat them, because I've been seeing people pop them, but the bag tells me I need to cut them. But one part of me wants to pop them, so I've seen everyone else pop them. Should I do? So there's like a grape flavoured one. I think that's lemon, just by the shape. There's a green one. Does it say what flavours are in there? No, it don't. But it's suitable for vegetarians. It's an orange one and a red one. I think I'm gonna do the purple one. Put this back inside. Do I like bite into it, or do I like cut it? I'm gonna bite into it. It's good, but I'm not a huge fan. This one is a no from me. Fruit jellies is a no. It literally tastes like perfume. Like I'm eating chemicals right now. Okay guys, so the next one we're going to try is Airheads. Got a bunch of sweets at the moment, guys, but trust me, I found some American crisps. I think you guys call them chips. Let me know. And you guys don't call these sweets, you call them candy. Airheads candy 5 bar strawberry pack. Okay, I've actually had Airheads before. I love Airheads. I'll just take the first one that comes out. Yes, the blue one. I've had these before because My mum's friend bought me them a while ago. The blue one, Airheads. I love these and I know I can eat these, so this is a yes from me, 100%. Airheads is a yes, by far. I think I've tried every flavour of Airheads. Tried the blue one, I've tried the mystery one, the orange one, grape one, the red one, which I'm pretty sure is either cherry or strawberry. Tried the watermelon one. And I think that's it. Let me know if there's any more flavours of Airheads that I've not listed for you, because that means I haven't tried them, and maybe I will if I can find them. But yeah, these, I knew I'd love these. Yeah. Okay guys, I think it's about time we try some crisps. So I got the Flaming Hot Cheetos. The smallest bag they had. So what I did when I went into the shop, with like the bags of crisps or chips as you guys call them, I went to see if they had smaller bags instead of getting the jumbo size bags, because what if I either can't eat them or don't like them, then I've just wasted a bunch of money on food that I can't eat. So I went for the miniature bags. So if I like them, I can go back and get them. But if I don't like them, then I'm not wasting too much money. You get my gist. You get my gist. Anyway, flaming hot Cheetos, crunchy. I'm only gonna have one, because again, got to be safe. They smell like booty. They literally smell like booty. So here we have a flaming hot Cheeto. Has it got real cheese in it? Or milk, because I'm lactose intolerant. I'm only going to have a tiny bite because this has got dairy in it. Really tiny. I'm not going anywhere tomorrow, so it should be all good. These are shit. No. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. No way, Jose. Okay guys, I'm back. Those flaming hot Cheetos, no go. One, I can't eat them because they're dairy based, and two, bugger they're hot. Got some water here because I'm just going to tell you, I've got Takis next, and they're apparently spicy too. So I've got some water just in case. Oh my god. But I gave them to my mum. My mum ate quite a few of them. No reaction. She's eating that half the bag and is now moaning that they're too hot. My dad's had one. Immediate reaction to people was, oh my god, that's too hot. I laughed, I thought it was funny. Then he said to me, you might pay for it, and I felt really bad. I told my mum to give him a tiny one and she gave him a big one. That wasn't my fault. I just didn't want to feel left out on trying things. But yeah, hot Cheetos, not for me. They might be your cup of tea, but they're not my cup of tea. So thank you. Should I try the Takis? You know, I'm going to have a break from crisps. I'm going to try the Nerds Rope. We're going to have a Nerds Rope. And I've tried okay, so in the UK, they have knockoff Nerd Ropes. Yeah, like they're under the brand Nerds, but they're not physically the American kind. They're just copies, like the British version. Second, I thought it was out of date. It's not real good. My hands are literally shaking. I have no clue why. Make sure I can eat these first. I can! No, it's not this. Try it. Really excited because everyone hypes up Nerd Ropes. I know that I have a huge feeling it's going to be really good. Got the very berry one. They had like a green one, a green packeted one. No, sorry, yellow packeted one. So sorry, my video cut out. But in the shop they had this one obviously, and they had the pink packeted one and the yellow packeted one. But I got the blue one. Let me know if the other flavours are better. Might get them in the future. Nerd Rope is a yes from me. But one half of my mouth is stained red from the hot Cheetos, and the other side of my mouth is stained blue from that, and like the Gob Stoppers and stuff. So yeah, thumbs up for the Nerd Rope. Okay guys, we're gonna do the Takis last. We're gonna do fluffy stuff. I'm gonna sit down and tell ya. I've been wanting this stuff for years, and again, obviously I don't live in America, so I haven't been able to get my hands on it until today, and I'm so happy. Again, we need to do the annual check, make sure I can eat it, and it looks like I can, which is great. It's cotton candy. Okay, you guys actually, like, I think you American viewers, we call it candy floss. You guys call it cotton candy. I think your one makes more sense because you don't floss with candy floss, do you? You don't floss with them. So cotton candy makes more sense. So I stand by you on your cotton candy choice. Oh, it's me another one that's really hard to open. This bag smells like chemicals, but the product I don't think does. I'm really excited. I'm scared it's gonna be like really sticky and like. You don't have to swallow it. Yeah, we're all good. I knew I'd love this. I knew it. Top tier. It's a yes from me for the fluffy stuff. Absolutely. Yes. 100% yes. Okay guys, that's all we've been waiting for. The hat. Takis. Let me know in the comments how these are pronounced. They did jumbo bags of these. But I got the mini bag, obvious reasons. And I know you guys have the blue Takis, but because of my gallbladder, I was unable to purchase those ones due to the ingredient stuff that are in the blue ones. So I just got these ones. Everyone hypes these up. May contain, doesn't mean it does. Every single video I see of American people talking about their favourite snack, the Takis is a name that comes up everywhere. So I'm really hoping these are good and not going to be the end of me, because I have more videos planned, so I need to survive this. I really hope these are good. I really hope these are good. I want to have some crisps I get to keep. Please. Let these be good. Picture. Takis Frigido. Don't know what that says. Got my dyslexia kicking in. Oh my god, they smell bad. They smell spicy. And they look it. No. Oh my god. R.I.P. my soul. So scared. Here we go. Takis. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. No, 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 no. Not today, sis. No. Sorry, but no. Oh my god, good thing I'm not going anywhere tomorrow. That. Oh my god. Staying in bed all day tomorrow. I'm bugged. I'm gonna put all of. Oh my god. It's a no for the Takis. It is a no for the Takis. You guys, if you guys that say these are your favourite crisps or chips, you guys are legends because you can keep these down. Oh my god. Shit. It burnt my lip. Anyway guys, that's all today's video. I'm going to need a day to recover. So you guys, the day of I'm filming this is Saturday. I'm going to upload this the day that it is being filmed. Instead, I was going to upload this video on Sunday, which is tomorrow. But I need a day to recover from that spicy shit. From both of those spicy shit. That one. Oh, you know. I need a day to recover from those. So this video will be going up day after yesterday's video. I'm sorry, but I need a day. Oh my god. But so I'm gonna, it's a no for the Takis. It's a no for the flaming hot Cheetos. It is a no for these juicy jelly shit. It's a no for them. But it's a yes for the Swedish Fish. The Gob Stoppers were my favourite. The Airheads. Candy Floss is a yes. Nerds Ropes a yes. Blow Pops are a yes. Basically all sweets are a yes. So anyway guys, that's all today's video. Make sure you click that like button, click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a brand new YouTube video. All my social media will be in the description box below. You can follow me and see what I do outside YouTube. I'm not filming, editing a brand new YouTube video. Please let me know in the comments if you guys want me to try more American sweets and crisps that I haven't had in this video, or what other country treats and stuff you'd like me to try. Make sure they are vegan so I can actually eat them. They're not dairy based. That's my only request. But yeah. I'm going to need today to recover. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye my loves. I'll see you in my next one. My god.